Well, Sunshine State has ups and downs. Take it slow, maybe walk around. Born and raised, and here I are, and I tell you boys, have I walked far. Up and down each of them coasts now. East, west, maybe everywhere in between. It's a way of life, I'll tell you now. Being a Florida native and how we bear the heat, we boil and sweat, but we're graced with the most gorgeous sunsets. One side you're blessed in the morning, the other you're blessed in the evening. I'd say you're doubly blessed. Storms that come, storms that go, they shaking our trees to and fro. Some people's lives and houses go, but Florida shines on when they're through. You know, Michael, Ian, Opal, been through a few now. We can really spell community when it's done, though. Well, oranges grow here in the wild. Winters here, they're mighty mild. Summers burn with a mighty flame while the flowers spring back up in the spring. Now notice I didn't mention fall, 'cause we ain't got one. From A1A to the Forgotten Coast, we got those roads with the most beautiful views you've ever seen. You blink twice, you might think you are in a dream. You know, I dream a lot sometimes, but the views here will blow your mind, especially if you're a northerner. Listen here, and I tell you now, I'm proud of where I grew up and how far it's come, but I'm here to say we've got to stop developing Florida, 'cause Florida's nature is here to stay. Yes, it is, boy, yes, it is. Stop that building, stop that building. Got enough of it going around here. We got panthers, manatees, ospreys, gopher turtles, they need a home, y'all. Tell me why it takes me 2 hours to get 2 miles down the road at 7 a.m. on a Sunday. I tell you, it's ridiculous, y'all. Tell me what's going on around here.